welcome, sir.
Thank you, my dear brother.
The roads in Imo State are bad. And people are saying that in the past, the Igbo are known for taking care of their own roads through communal efforts. How do you feel in the present situation we have found ourselves?
My dear brother, it's fortunate that things are working the way they are appearing. It is not good. It is not proper. In those days when we are younger, that's what we call the road markers. People call them road makers. They are employees of LGA, which is local authority. They were maintaining roads. But these days, such things are no longer in existence. My own thinking is, if it is necessary, we can recall that system. We can localize road maintenance so that people can now even walk. This time around, you cannot walk, you cannot ride their bike, you cannot even use your vehicle. So many cars are parked because of bad roads. So my view is that what is happening is not good, but there must be a way out.
One of the ways out, as suggested by some people, is that the villages, communities, can at least grade their roads if they come together. Don't you think this is good?
My dear brother, communities have been trying before now. I know that a lot of communities come together and grade their roads. But the cost of grading and the cost of living has made it difficult for people to do that. So if the government can provide them with things like Caterpillar, the community can buy diesel and probably entertain the people who are doing the work. But generally, the communities have been trying. But though you cannot say somebody has tried when you have not seen any achievement.
That is the area people are concerned. The roads are bad. The roads are terrible. It suggests that the people have not done their best. And in the past, you said that people were doing it themselves, the communal efforts. How do you think that this can be encouraged?
It can be encouraged. You see, these days, you hear students or boys telling you education is a scam. Some people tell you Christianity is a scam. It is because of the orientation. It is that same case is also applicable to our natural daily cultural lives. People don't appreciate the cultural aspect of our lives, whereby the youths gather, clear the roads, dig gutter, and do other minor things that actually keep the road moving. But these days, unless we get back to our natural cultural system of living, some of these things may not work because the government cannot do more than they can do.
Thank you, sir.